Look at that scratch. Damn. Look, if your vehicle got vandalized or was involved in a hit and run and you need help with the police report, you need help opening up your insurance claim, need help managing your insurance claim, need help with the towing, roadside assistance, car rental, or just doing everything for you, give us a call at 805-816-2680. All Star Auto Body can handle any insurance claim for you. 805-816-2680. Give us a call or go to allstarautobody.biz. The link is going to be right there. And guess what? We can help you out with everything. Doesn't matter. Look at this is a 2023 4Runner, and we're going to be taking care of this baby. So give us a call at 805-816-2680. Let us take care of everything for you. Awesome.